Feed prices keep going up every month, and most small poultry farmers are struggling to make profit. But what if I told you that you can cut your feed cost by up to 50% using ingredients you already have around your home or farm? In today's video, I will share with you how to make a homemade poultry feed alternative that is nutritious, natural, and affordable. I tested it. Commercial feed prices have almost doubled in the past few years. For example, a 50 kg bag that used to cost around $25 now goes for $45 or more in some places. For small farmers, that means less profit and sometimes even losses. But the truth is, we can produce quality feed alternatives at home using local ingredients that provide the same nutrition or even better. Before we talk about mixing, we need to understand what chickens actually need. A good poultry feed must contain energy from maize, sorghum, or cassava, and protein from fish meal, soya, or even insects like maggots or termites, and also vitamins and minerals from vegetables, leaves, and natural sources like eggshells or bone meal. Once we balance these, we get healthy chickens that grow fast, lay well, and resist diseases, all while saving money. Here is the feed formula that has worked perfectly on my poultry and helped me cut feed cost by almost half. This is for broilers growth stage. We have 40% maize meal or crushed maize for energy, 20% sunflower cake or soybean meal for protein, 10% fish meal or dried maggots for high protein, 10% lucerne, moringa leaves or sweet potato leaves for vitamins, 5% crushed eggshells or bone meal for calcium and minerals, 5% molasses or fermented maize water for energy and taste enhancer. You can substitute some ingredients depending on what is available locally. For example, instead of fish meal, use black soldier fly larvae, and instead of molasses, you can use sugarcane juice or honey water. Now on mixing. 1. Measure all ingredients using a bucket or container for consistent ratio. 2. Mix the dry ingredients, that is maize, sunflower cake, bran, and fish meal until well combined. 3. Add your greens or dried leaves powder. 4. Finally add molasses or fermented maize water to make it slightly moist but not wet. Mix well and your homemade poultry feed is ready. You can feed it directly or sun dry it for storage. This mix works well for both broilers and layers. Just reduce protein slightly for layers and add more calcium. Now let's compare the costs. On commercial feed, $45 per 50 kg bag, and homemade feed about $22 to $25 for the same 50 kg bag. That's almost 50% savings. And if you grow some ingredients yourself, it can be even cheaper. After using this mix for just 2 weeks, my broilers showed better growth, cleaner droppings, and more energy. My layers also started producing more consistent eggs. Remember, feed is only one part of success. Clean water, housing, and hygiene also matter. And that's how you can make your own homemade poultry feed alternative that cuts costs by up to 50%. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace, love, and light.